French are glad to die for love. They delight in fighting duels. But I prefer a man who lives and gives expensive.
Hey, this is Ashley and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am so excited to bring you my long-awaited 50s icon, Marylin Monroe. Of course, I've been talking about this for a while and I'm finally doing it, and I also do a little hair tutorial as well. The issue with that one was I did not have the right styling tools and all, and I just only had like my sister's straightener, and I thought it looked bad, honestly. Like I was gonna link a hair tutorial that I found that I really liked, but it looked like the person that uploaded took it down or something like that. And yeah, I did not have the right styling tools. Like, she used a curling iron and a straightener for some of the shorter hair pieces. I almost wasn't gonna include this. I thought I was just gonna scrap it, but I figured some of you guys might want to see a little short hair tutorial because I keep on getting requests to do hair tutorials, even though I'm not that great at hair tutorials. So yeah. So I hope you guys enjoy the makeup tutorial along with a mini hair tutorial. See how I got Marylin Monroe's hairstyle. Anyways, let's get right to the makeup. So here I am back with my blonde hair. Now I'm just going to be prepping my face by using this Hard Candy Sheer Envy Perfecting Primer. I wanted to do this Marylin Monroe makeup tutorial because there's a Hard Candy Marylin Monroe collection I've been seeing at Walmart. Anyways, moving on to foundation. I'm using my favorite foundation from Maybelline, the Matte and Poreless foundation in Fair Porcelain. I'm just going to apply that all over my face.
I've heard of affairs that are strictly platonic, but diamonds are a girl's best friend. And I think affairs that you...
Next, I'm taking my favorite concealer from Wet n Wild and applying it under my eyes and also around some areas where I can still see the blemishes that are still showing on my face.
And youth is gone, and you can't straighten up when you bend. But stiff back or stiff knees, you stand straight as Tiffany's.
Now I'm going to set in the makeup with some translucent powder. Then I took an eyeshadow primer to prep my eyes for the eyeshadows. For the eyes, I took this matte white eyeshadow from my Lorac Pro 3 palette in the shade Blanc, and I applied this all over my lids all the way up to my brow bone.
The French are glad to die.
Then I took cool taupe and clay and used the angle brush and applied it to my crease.
Kiss on the hand may be quite continental, but diamonds are a girl's best friend. A kiss may be grand, but it won't pay the rental on your humble flats or help you feed your pussycat. Men grow cold as girls grow old, and we all...
Then I used the blending brush on the other side to blend it all in so it's less harsh looking.
Pear-shaped, these rocks don't lose their shape. Diamonds are a girl's best friend.
With a black liquid liner, use this to line your eyes and create a little cat-eyed wing at the end.
Cause we are living in a material world, and I am a material girl. Come and get me, boys. Black Star, Roscoe, talk to me, Harry Fiddler, tell me
using this light contour shade from my Profusion contour palette. I'm contouring my nose a little to make mine a little bit Marilyn Monroe's by accidentally like contouring a little like divots around the tip of my nose, just like copying the shadows where I can see like where I can like contour my nose, and also down the bridge of my nose.
Let's make love. Yes.
Now I'm contouring my jawline and also my chin to make my face shape a little bit like Marilyn Monroe's. We both have like kind of similar face shapes. Hers is a heart face shape, but I also saw one website say that she has a heart and kind of oval face shape. Mine's on the oval side, so I'm just gonna be contouring my jawline and also my chin as well. Which the way I did it, the way you guys are gonna see, it's probably gonna look a little weird, but at the end it does pull out together. And I'm just gonna be like contouring my jawline. I mean, not my jawline, my like above my chin, which, like I said, might look random and weird, but at the end I am trying to mimic her face shape.
I've seen the world, done it all, had my cake now. Diamonds brilliant and
For blush, I went with this pink color from LA Colors. It came from a LA Colors makeup kit that I got a while ago for Christmas. Moving on to brows, Marilyn Monroe has a very arched like eyebrows, and I'm trying to mimic that with this e.l.f. Instant Lift Brow Pencil in the shade Taupe, just by filling my eyebrows and trying to create a little bit of an arch shape like she has.
will you still love me when I got nothing but my aching soul? I know you will, I know you will, I know that you will.
I also went back with my concealer to fix up the eyebrows a little.
I'm no longer beautiful. I've seen the world, lit it up as my stage now. Channeling angels in the new age now. Hot summer days, rock and roll, the way you play for me at your show, and all the ways I got to know your pretty face and electric soul.
I also took this Wow Brow Gel from e.l.f. also in the shade Taupe to better match my hair color. Now curl your lashes and apply some mascara, and make sure like you decide to go with mascara, make sure the outer corners are dramatic, because according to our makeup artist, they took false lashes, cut them in half, and they applied the fluttery outer corners to Marilyn's lashes. But I just took some demi wispies from Ardell because I thought that was so Marilyn Monroe, and I feel like this is how you can get Marilyn Monroe inspired lashes.
Tell me that you'll let 'em in. Father, tell me if you can. All that grace, all that body, all that.
Just start by taking some the false lash, and I use this duo glue that I love. That's clear. It's a strip lash adhesive, and it only takes 5 seconds to dry. And once it's ready, just pop on the lashes and just do it with some tweezers if you have to, and just let it dry.
Will you still love me when I got nothing but my aching soul? I know you will, I know you will, I know that you will.
Once it's dry, just pop on the mascara.
Will you still love me when I'm no longer beautiful? Will you still love me when I'm no longer beautiful?
To complete the contoured illusions I did, I'm applying some highlighter to my nose and also the cheekbones and chin as well, and also on my forehead. don't forget to add Marilyn Monroe's iconic beauty mark. And for lips, I thought it'd be fun to show you guys 2 different lip options. So the first lip option I'm going off with, it's inspired by this photo I have of her. And it's the one I'm actually wearing right now for this tutorial. And it's actually Marilyn Monroe's go-to lipstick. This is from Revlon, from their Super Lustrous line, and it's in the shade Kiss Me Coral. Here's the first lip option, and here coming up is the How I Got Marilyn Monroe's Hair. For the hair, I accidentally did this on the opposite side. You want to do this on the other side other than what I'm doing. But you want to just do an off-center part and take a curling iron and just curl and then later pin to make it last a little longer. I'm just using a straightener because that's all I had, and it's actually my sister's. But you do actually want to use a straightener to get some of the shorter hair pieces. For our next lip option, of course, you gotta go over red. I took this bright red color right here and I mixed it in with a darker red. I just applied it to the inner corners of my mouth. And the actual red lipstick she used is from Guerlain, but it's discontinued now. But there's another Guerlain lipstick you can go with, but of course, any true Marilyn Monroe red will do. And there's the complete Marilyn Monroe makeup look. Hope you guys enjoyed my take on 1950s icon Marilyn Monroe. Please like this video and subscribe, and also comment below any other makeup tutorial requests that you have for me, and also I guess comment below any other movie icons that you want me to recreate that were popular so long ago. Like Audrey Hepburn and all that. And also comment below your favorite Marilyn Monroe movie if you have one. And until then, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!